This is a quick little video for CRM consultants, private video. So just a bit of background. My name is Scott Kundal. I run a company called Madge3.com. I've been involved in IT tech marketing for literally 25 years. So yeah, don't be fooled. I'm definitely older than I look. So let me quickly show you guys. The idea is to connect LinkedIn into CRM. And one of the sort of issues is how to do that, but do it in a really nice, engaging way without some crappy little weird add-on plugin thing that just looks terrible and makes your clients look like they're kind of hacking into the middle of nowhere. All right. So basically what happens is a little Chrome extension that sits on top of Chrome. It's a non-automation tool. I just want to make sure you guys understand that everything is done manually. It just speeds up the process. I don't want this to be a full demo. It can do some very cool stuff, but just wanted to show you the basics. So what happens is you create a very specific little tab for the client. So this is like white labeled in the client's name, or it can be in the name of your company. So you can kind of white label it in your company. Your clients can then use it, and then they can basically use your tab to then push data into their CRM. Obviously, it depends what CRM they use, et cetera, et cetera. They can do it by inviting people, right? So they can actually go and do a LinkedIn search and invite them. So if I'm looking for owner of a business, for example, and I click connect, it'll actually bring up the connection message, hi George, and you guys can set this up for your clients. So you can create invitation messages, acceptance messages, etc. Once again, it doesn't automate. They still have to click, but it makes it quicker. They fit all the invitations, go in the invitations tab. Then they go into the new acceptances tab once they've accepted, and they can go into ready for follow-ups, and they can be tagged, and you can do some cool little things. Now, what's really cool about this is that you have little message templates. I can send, for example, custom message one. We can do tracking links, and we can do some cool things, and it builds message templates. But the bit that I really wanted to show you is that in the back end, right, everything that you can see here, all the data, all the information that gets collected from LinkedIn, whether it's a phone number, an email address, whatever, all that data and everything that's in here in this Chrome extension that's been put in via the API, and web hooks can be pulled or pushed into the CRM, and they can start appearing. So this is what it kind of looked like. Get my handsome face out the way there. And you can then see all their information and all their details, and it can push whatever you want, tags, etc., etc. Now, obviously, the involvement in what's required can be fairly simple, or it can be quite complex, depending on the client's needs. But as you can see, this little white label Chrome extension is a really neat, really cool way for them to do some work on top of LinkedIn and still work with the CRM at the same time, and then obviously move data. So if you like what you see, let's have a chat. Yeah, I'd love to explore some options.